Recent research suggests the moon may face one of its most significant impact events in thousands of years. Astronomers are tracking a near-Earth asteroid discovered in late 2024 that now carries a small but measurable chance of colliding with the moon in the early 2030s. While Earth itself is no longer considered at risk, updated orbital data has shifted scientific attention toward what such a lunar impact could mean, both for understanding impact physics and for near-Earth space operations. In this video, we will examine what scientists know so far, why this matters, and what could happen next. Let's get started. Asteroid 2024 YR4 was first identified on December 27, 2024 by the Atlas survey in Chile. At discovery, it joined the long list of near-Earth objects routinely cataloged each year. What set it apart was not its size alone, but the uncertainty surrounding its early orbital data. Initial calculations indicated a small probability of an Earth impact in December 2032. This probability was never high, but it was sufficient to trigger automated monitoring systems and intensified follow-up observations. This process is standard. Newly detected asteroids often carry wide error margins until repeated measurements constrain their trajectories. As additional data accumulated, particularly from space-based observations and refined modeling by NASA and its Jet Propulsion Laboratory, those uncertainties narrowed. Earth was conclusively removed from the asteroid's potential impact path. However, the updated trajectory revealed a different alignment. As Earth shifted out of the uncertainty corridor, the moon entered it. Current models place the probability of a lunar impact at just over 4%. In practical terms, this still means the asteroid will almost certainly miss the moon, but the remaining probability is large enough to warrant serious scientific consideration. The asteroid's estimated diameter, roughly 50 to 70 meters, may seem modest compared to larger near-Earth objects. Yet, at lunar encounter speeds, even an object of this size carries enormous kinetic energy. That realization reframed the discussion. The question was no longer about planetary safety, but about scientific opportunity. If 2024 YR4 were to strike the moon, models suggest the impact would release energy equivalent to approximately 6.5 megatons of TNT. That would make it the most energetic lunar impact ever observed during the era of modern astronomy. The scientific importance of such an event lies not in its destructive potential, but in its observability. Most large lunar craters formed billions of years ago, long before humans had the tools to study them in real time. Today's understanding of impact dynamics relies heavily on indirect evidence, crater morphology, ejecta patterns, and simulations. A modern, well-observed impact would allow researchers to directly test these models. Predictions indicate the collision would produce a brief optical flash, visible from Earth, followed by an extended infrared afterglow as molten lunar material cools. At the same time, seismic waves would propagate across the moon. Even relatively small impacts have produced detectable signals in the past. An event of this scale would likely generate global lunar vibrations. Another area of interest is the behavior of ejected material. Simulations suggest that tens of millions of kilograms of lunar debris could be launched from the impact site, with some fragments reaching or exceeding lunar escape velocity. Observing how this material disperses, evolves, and interacts with Earth-Moon gravity would provide rare empirical data. Importantly, this research is not driven by concern or urgency. There is no proposal to intervene, deflect, or alter the asteroid's path. The moon itself is a natural record of impacts, shaped over billions of years by collisions far larger than this one. What makes this case notable is not the scale of the damage, but the chance to observe the physics directly. In that sense, a potential impact by 2024 YR4 represents a controlled natural experiment, one with clear parameters, minimal risk, and high scientific return. From Earth's surface, a lunar impact would pose no direct hazard. Any small debris that eventually intersects Earth's atmosphere would almost certainly burn up before reaching the ground. The more relevant implications concern near-Earth space. Some fraction of the ejected lunar material could pass through satellite orbits, particularly in high Earth orbit and cislunar space. While this does not represent a severe threat, it highlights the growing complexity of operating infrastructure in an environment influenced by natural celestial events. In such a scenario, satellite operators would likely rely on tracking and short-term adjustments to mitigate risk. At the same time, the observational potential is substantial. The predicted timing of the possible impact places the Moon in a favorable phase for observation from the Pacific region. Major observatories, including those in Hawaii, would have excellent visibility, and coordinated amateur networks could contribute complementary data. Beyond the immediate event, the aftermath could be just as informative. Debris remaining gravitationally bound to Earth could be tracked for months, allowing researchers to study how impact ejecta behaves over extended timescales. This could improve models of debris evolution, orbital decay, and collision probabilities in Earth-Moon space. Future observations of the asteroid itself will further refine its trajectory. As 2024 YR4 becomes easier to observe during upcoming orbital passes later in the decade, the remaining uncertainty will shrink. The probability of impact may decrease to zero, or, less likely, persist until the encounter date approaches. Either outcome is valuable. A miss would confirm the reliability of current tracking and modeling systems. A continued possibility would allow scientists to plan detailed observation campaigns well in advance. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is not a threat, but it is a clear demonstration of how far planetary monitoring has advanced. Whether a lunar impact occurs or not, the event has already improved models, tracking accuracy, and scientific preparedness. Sometimes the real significance lies not in what happens, but in what we learn by being ready.